Hello Learning Birds, this is Mr. Buffington and welcome to our lesson on Microsoft Excel, finding duplicates, hiding them, deleting them, doing whatever we can with duplicates, and also in the Home tab we're going to talk about some other tools we have in the conditional formatting. So conditional formatting is a tab that can help us do some really neat things. What we're going to start off with is we're going to find if there are any duplicate names in our list. So I'm going to highlight the column A. That will highlight that I'm looking for duplicates within this column. I'm going to click on Conditional Formatting. And for this step, I'm actually going to highlight the duplicates. So I highlight duplicate values. If I was looking to highlight values that were greater than, less than, or in between certain things, then I would use those. But I'm looking for specifically duplicate values here. So if I click on duplicate values, I get to choose how I want to highlight them. I can highlight them in red, yellow, green, or use a custom format that I choose. Just right now I'll just use light red. And it's highlighted all the duplicates. Boba Fett is in there twice, Mickey Mouse is in there twice, Bugs Bunny is in there twice. So those are duplicate values within this spreadsheet. Now I can check and make sure that Boba Fett is exactly the same all the way along. There, Boba Fett. I could organize this spreadsheet in alphabetical order, and that would put all of the duplicates right next to each other. Or what I can do is just get rid of all the duplicates. Oftentimes when you're looking at a large spreadsheet, you just want to remove any duplicates that are exactly the same in both places. To do that, you're going to go up to the Data tab, and right here it says Remove Duplicates. When you click on that, it will automatically highlight the spreadsheet, not including the title line that we have frozen. And it will say, what do you want to remove? If it's the same on the name, is it a duplicate on the assignment, address, favorite food, favorite color, gender? And what I'm going to do is say, I only want to remove them if they are exactly the same in all of the columns. Okay, because I might have another Boba Fett who has a different job and a different address and different food. But if it's exactly the same information, I want to remove it. So you can do that by clicking on all of these. That's the default setting, is to make it only if it's an exact duplicate. So I'll go ahead and remove those. It'll tell me there were 3 duplicate values found and removed. Now there are 88 unique values. All right, wonderful. So now you look here and there's only one Boba Fett, there's only one Bugs Bunny, there's only one Mickey Mouse. We've gotten rid of all of the duplicates. So that's a kind of fun tool that we have inside of the Home tab. Conditional formatting, we can use that to actually find the duplicates and highlight them. And inside the Data tab, you can remove those duplicates pretty easily. I want to show you something else here inside of the Conditional Formatting tab. Conditional formatting, like I said, it can do some really neat things. So this is a spreadsheet that I have that I just listed name, grade, tuition, if it's paid, and a due date. So with this, I'm going to show you a couple of different things. First off, I'm going to highlight column B here, and I'm going to use conditional formatting. I just want to show you 2 different things you can do. One is you could make it have like these bars, like a bar graph here. I really like this. I think it's visually kind of cool to be able to show where their grades land. You know, 97%, 23, 65. You can see that makes it into a bar graph. It's visually kind of cool. The other thing you can do is to make it into a color scale. This might be better for sorting. To have it in different colors. In this one, the green is the highest, and then the red would be the lowest, and it just sort of gives you different color scales. There's all sorts of different scales you could use. You can make up your own values, but I just think that that's a really neat tool that's oftentimes overlooked, but it can make a spreadsheet look really neat. All right. The other thing I want to show you inside of this tutorial, also inside of conditional formatting, is that you can highlight if you're looking for certain values. For example, if I'm looking for all of the people who have not paid their tuition yet, inside of conditional formatting, I can highlight the cells that are exactly equal to the value of no inside of my paid column. So I can highlight them in different colors again. I'll just go ahead and leave it at the default. But now you see that all of the people who have not paid are highlighted in red. So that's kind of a neat tool, again, inside of that conditional formatting. So that is what conditional formatting, some of the things you can do. You can find duplicates inside the data tab. You can remove duplicates and just play around with the conditional formatting to see some of the other neat and fun things that it can do. I hope that lesson was helpful for you. Have a wonderful day.